Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. It's about a product called RocketVideosAI, and it takes, as they say here, any idea into a viral, jaw-dropping AI video in seconds. And the cool thing about this is you'd expect this to be a, I don't know, $500 piece of software. It's $37. And the way they do that is by using credits. So I'll look into that in a sec. Let's look inside, show you how this creates epic AI videos with just a keyword. So I'm going to scroll through here. We'll skip that, let you watch that out. Here you go. So all this, the content, the voiceover, the image, the sound, the music, the characters, the storyboard, the video. You can give it just a, well, it looks pretty real to me. Here we go, 3 steps. So let's take a look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Imagine and enter any prompt. So here, create a video about, put it in there. You want a video about an angel, a kid, a girl, a man, whatever. So you get the start. Customize your scenes and voices. This, I think the angel one is what got picked here. So you can see different scenes. You want to do Bethlehem, you want to do the angel, you know, that's kind of like the story of Jesus there. Customize your scenes and voices. 3, export and profit. So it's going to put it all together for you and create amazing videos. The whole thing that you can resell to people if you wish. All set up. The dog's going crazy. I'm going to cut it short and just show you this. Let's just run through this part. These are some of the cool parts. Music video, AI ads, movie trailer, great videos for that kind of stuff. Cartoon video, AI animation, storyboard, all of this stuff. Saves you tons of time. You'd spend just days, weeks to put together one of these, and you can run these things out there. I'm going to skip, the dog's going crazy. I'm going to stop it right there. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. It shows you the credits and the whole deal. I think 5,000 credits is enough to do. Depends on how long the video is. So they were saying we can get 10 medium long videos for about 5,000 credits. So it'll give you the idea. You can buy more credits, of course. You can buy packages here with the one-time offers. You'll figure it out. So click the link in the video description. Go check out Rocket Videos AI, from idea to AI video in seconds. Enjoy.